La 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 la. Look, friends! Daddy Pig just came back from the supermarket with a big yummy sandwich. But uh-oh, Trolley went whoosh, slipped on a banana peel. The whole sandwich fell down. We need to put all the sandwich ingredients back together. First, we need to add the egg. But oh no, Daddy Pig can't find the egg anywhere. Friends, can you help him find the egg? Let's check the kitchen first. Oh, here's a carton of eggs. No problem, we can cook one. First, let's crack the egg. Wow, hear that sizzling sound? It smells so yummy. Yay! The egg is ready. Now Daddy Pig can put the egg back into the sandwich. Great job, friends! We've added the first ingredient back. Did you know eggs come from chickens? They have hard shells to keep them safe. We crack eggs before we cook them. Eggs give us energy to play and grow strong. Look! Who's inside the house? It's Mummy Pig. Oh, Daddy Pig! How did you drop the sandwich all over the floor like that? Friends, now we need Mummy Pig to help us find the next ingredient. The next ingredient we're looking for is cheese. Friends, when you see the cheese, can you yell cheese to Mummy Pig? Cheese! Yay! Mummy Pig found it! Let's stack it onto the sandwich. Well done! Did you know cheese is made from milk? Cheese can be yellow, white, or even orange. We can eat cheese in sandwiches, on pizza, or all by itself. Cheese gives us calcium to help our bones and teeth grow strong. Hello! Look, who's up there? Oh, it's Peppa Pig! Peppa, can you come down? We need your help with something. Sure! Ta-da! Peppa, can you help us find the next sandwich ingredient? Sure! The next ingredient is salami! Hey friends, is this salami? Oh no, it's a slice of tomato. It looks like salami, but it's not. If you see the salami, can you shout salami? Oh, here it is! Yay, we found it! Good job, friends! Now Peppa is putting the salami back into the sandwich. We found 3 ingredients so far. Did you know salami is a type of meat? It's made from meat and special spices. It has a yummy, salty taste. Friends, our next sandwich ingredient is lettuce. But who can help us find it? Hi, I can help! Oh look, it's George Pig! He's sliding down to help. Let's go find the lettuce in the kitchen together. Is it this one? No. This one? Nope. Oh yes, this is the one! Now George, should we wash the lettuce with hot or cold water? That's right, cold water! Turn on the cold tap and rinse the lettuce under running water. Yay! Our lettuce is clean! Let's put it back into the sandwich. And don't forget to turn off the water. Great job, friends! That's our 4th ingredient. Lettuce is a crunchy green leaf that we eat in salads and sandwiches. It has lots of water and helps keep us fresh and strong. Friends, our next sandwich ingredient is cucumber. Look who's here! Grandpa Pig and Grandma Pig! Can you help us find the cucumber? No problem, says Grandma Pig. She checks the veggie basket. And yay! We are so lucky! Here's the cucumber! Let's slice it into pieces nice and thin. All done! Let's put the cucumber back into the sandwich. Good job, friends! We found it! Cucumbers are cool and crunchy veggies that have lots of water inside. Cucumbers grow on vines and can be green and long like a little train. Friends, this time we need Grandpa Pig to help us find the tomato. Where is it? So lucky! Here it is, a big, round tomato. Let's watch as Grandpa Pig uses his magic. Ta-da! He turned it into a tomato slice. Oh yes, we got it! That's amazing! We found the tomato! Tomatoes are red, round, and super juicy. They grow on plants and love the sunshine. Guess what? Tomatoes are actually a fruit, not a vegetable. Surprise! Oh yes, our sandwich is getting really tall. Now we just need one last ingredient, bread. Hey, Peppa says the bread is in the toaster. Look, Pop! The bread jumps out of the toaster. That's so cool and toasty! All Peppa has to do now is put the bread on top. Ta-da! Our sandwich is complete! Oh yes, we did it! Bread is soft and yummy, and it's made from flour, water, and sometimes a little yeast that makes it rise like magic. Bread is a super snack hero. Yay! Friends! We stacked everything in the right order! Great job! You were amazing helpers, and we had so much fun learning and playing together. If you enjoyed this sandwich adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, puzzles, and surprises. See you next time! Bye-bye! Wow, look at this colorful Ferris wheel spinning around. I wonder what surprises we'll find today. Let's go check it out. Which little cabin should we choose? Let's pick the red one. Oh, it's Peppa Pig, but Peppa doesn't have any colors. Should we help her look nice and bright? Peppa, which color do you want? Orange? No. Yellow? No. Blue? Not that one either. Pink? Yay, pink it is. First, let's press down this Play-Doh clay. Now, let's roll it flat with our roller. Next, we'll cut out Peppa's shape and press it with our Peppa mold. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, Peppa looks so cute and happy in pink. But wait, let's add a few more little details to make her look just right. Let's give her some eyes. Add some pink on the cheek. Now she looks even cuter. Our pink Peppa is all done. Friends, do you like our pink Peppa? How much do you know about Peppa? Let's learn some fun facts about her. Did you know that Peppa absolutely loves eating yummy ice cream, especially on warm, sunny days? She also has so much fun going on picnics with her family and friends, where they enjoy tasty treats together. And guess what? Peppa can't resist dancing to her favorite music. Friends, which color cabin do you want to choose this time? Great, let's pick green. I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's George Pig. Haha, he's so cute. Let's add some color for him. Hi, George. What color do you like? Orange? No. How about green? Oh, you like green. All right, green it is. Watch me press down on the clay. Haha. Then we'll roll it nice and flat. Next, we use this cutter to cut George's shape. And then, yes, we press the George mold down. All done. Ready to see? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at the bright green George. I think we need something more. Yes, let's add some details, like his eyes. Let's add black dots for his eyes. And don't forget his cute pink cheeks. Now he's all done. Doesn't George look adorable? Would you like to learn more about George? George Pig is here, and guess what? He loves his little toy dinosaur so much. He takes it everywhere, even when he goes out to play. And you know what else George loves? Playing in the rain. Splash, splash, splash! George also loves playing at the playground. His favorite thing? The swing. He likes to feel the wind on his face as he swings back and forth. Then there's the seesaw. Up he goes. Then down he comes. Playing with George is so much fun. Do you want to join him on the swing and seesaw too? Round and round we go. This time, let's pick the turquoise color. Let's open the cabin and see who's inside. Wow, it's Mommy Pig. Now, let's ask Mommy Pig what color she likes. Mommy Pig, would you like orange? No? How about green? Not green either. What about yellow? Still no. Pink? No pink? Oh, purple. Yes. Mommy Pig loves purple. All right, we'll give you purple, Mommy Pig. First, we need to press down on the clay. Press, press. Then, let's roll it nice and smooth with the roller. All done. Now, we'll use the Mommy Pig cutter to press down right in the middle of the clay. And finally, we press with the Mommy Pig mold. Ready to see how it turned out? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at the purple Mommy Pig. She looks so fancy and pretty. Let's add some extra details to make her even cuter. We'll put on her eyes, just like this. And now her rosy cheeks. Perfect! Look at this purple Mommy Pig. Isn't she lovely? Let's learn a little more about Mommy Pig right away. Did you know Mommy Pig loves to cook yummy food for everyone? She stirs the pot and hums a happy tune. Mommy Pig has a secret. She is scared of spiders. Hi friends, what color do you want to choose this time? Blue. Okay, let's open it up and see who's inside. Wow, it's Daddy Pig. What color should we pick for Daddy Pig? Purple? No? Green? Not green. Blue? Yes, let's choose blue. But first, we press down on the blue clay. Then we'll use the roller to roll it out evenly. Now, we press the Daddy Pig cutter into the clay. Here comes Daddy Pig. Let's press him into the cutter. Are you ready to see what blue Daddy Pig looks like? 3, 2, 1. Wow, he looks so good. But we're not done yet. We need to add some details. Let's start with his eyes. We'll add the black pupils. Just tap them on gently. And don't forget his pink cheek. Yay! Daddy Pig is all done. Doesn't he look so handsome? Let's learn more about him. Daddy Pig loves cheese. He thinks it's so tasty and likes to eat it as a snack. One time, Daddy Pig was flying in an airplane, and guess what? He accidentally fell out. What colors do we still have to choose? Yes, yellow. Let's open it up and see who's inside. Friends, can you guess who it might be? Wow, it's Granny Pig. Now, what color would Granny Pig like? Let's ask her. Granny Pig. Do you like pink? No? What about blue? No, again. Green. Not that one either. How about yellow? Yes, Granny Pig likes yellow. All right. Let's start by pressing down the yellow clay to make it nice and flat. Here comes the roller. Let's roll it out smooth and even. Now, we'll use the Granny Pig cutter and press it down hard. Next, we press the Granny Pig mold into the cutter to make sure she looks just right. Are you ready to see how yellow Granny Pig looks? Wow, she's so bright and cheerful. But we're not finished yet. Let's add some decorations for her hat. I think a pink ribbon will look nice on her hat. What do you think? And we can't forget her eyes, can we? Let's add her pupils. And then some pink blush on her cheeks. There we go. Our Granny Pig is all done. Doesn't she look beautiful in yellow with her hat? Let's find out more about her. Did you know Granny Pig loves feeding her chickens? Every morning, she brings them food and they cluck happily around her. She also loves baking tasty cakes and cookies. The kitchen smells so yummy when Granny Pig is baking. Friends, which color would you like to pick this round? Let's pick orange. Can you guess who's in this orange cabin? Oh, it's Grandpa Pig. Haha. Grandpa Pig, which color do you want to choose? What will it be? Oh, Grandpa Pig chose orange. All right, Grandpa Pig, let's add some orange for you. Friends, as always, let's start by pressing down the orange clay. Now, we'll use the roller to make it nice and smooth. Here's the Grandpa Pig cutter. Let's press it right in the center. Then we take Grandpa Pig's mold from the cabin and press it into the cutter. Are you excited to see how it turned out? Let's find out together. Wow, this orange Grandpa Pig looks great. Now, let's add some fun details. First, we'll give Grandpa Pig a purple sailor hat. Next, let's add his eyes to make him look happy. Look, his eyes are looking down. Isn't that funny? Finally, we'll add some pink blush to his cheeks. Yay, our Grandpa Pig is all done. How does he look? Pretty good, right? Do you want to learn more about Grandpa Pig? Let's go! Grandpa Pig loves sailing on his boat. He enjoys feeling the wind in his ears as he goes across the water. He also loves growing vegetables in his garden. Every day, he waters the plants and watches them grow big and strong. Wow, friends, look! Today we made Pink Peppa, Green George, Purple Mommy Pig, Blue Daddy Pig, Yellow Granny Pig, and Orange Grandpa Pig. Aren't they colorful and beautiful? Look how much they love each other as a family. It was so much fun to make the Peppa Pig family with Play-Doh today. If you want to see more fun videos, ask your grown-up to search for my name, SHINEE, Shiny, educational videos for kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.